geldik bakalım. Şimdi göreceğim içeri. Ben biraz bir saat erken geldim. Şimdi bakacağım içeriye girip biraz bekleyebileceğim bir yer var mı? Heyecanlıyım. Bir heyecan geldi.
I think my first reaction was how young they were. I mean, they were very small, very sweet kids.
They were under incredible pressure, and I think they handled it brilliantly.
We were extraordinarily fortunate in the children that we cast. There was no guarantee that they would be able to act up to what we all knew would happen in the end, because we're asking them to do far more.
Hello everyone and welcome to Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, the making of Harry Potter. Please come in, find a space around the room so we can get you all started on your tour today.
Hogwarts, give them a gentle push forwards. Come on in everybody, this is the one, the only, truly magnificent Great Hall. It is one of the largest and one of the oldest sets built for the films. The lights are low, the tables are set. It is what we call in the industry a hot. Loud noises, water-based vapor machines, and pyrotechnics. Anybody here tonight is uncomfortable or wants to...
I'm 25 years old, it may not work properly first time. That is fine, we'll go back and try it again, do a take 2 or a take 3. We'll keep going until it works properly. So, ready Autumn?
I'm ready, you guys ready?
We're ready? Okay, we'll count down from 3. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Imagine that with around 10,000 legs. We've got around 6.
Ones used for the films would have actually been done in post-production with visual effects, meaning that they wouldn't have been seen by those actors on set, so we're going to be able to experience them in just one moment. But with these we would also involve some practical elements, like his hair to reveal that she was being picked up and pulled by the pixies. And then the pig has 8 legs. And thank you very much for all the rest of your day from you.
There you are. Express'teyiz. Cheers. Oturdukları ve butterbeer içtikleri, o butterbeer içiyoruz. Bu alkolsüz versiyonu. Böyle çok değişik tatlı bir ve sparklı bir şey ve üstünde de krem şanti var. That's it yani bu. Yani değer mi 7.45 liraya bilmiyorum ama kabı tutabiliyorsunuz. O yüzden hatıra olarak neden olmasın.
How many are there?
36. Counted them myself.
36! But last year I had 37!
Yeah, well, some of them are quite a bit bigger than last year.
I don't care how big they are!
I'm really sorry that I'm in my gloves here, but they're made of silicone, so not these, but if you can touch those bits, we can touch those bits.
Okay.
Where's that quick? What's that?
So 3 or 4 days, bone dry to crisp, really strong.
When the set is complete, the columns themselves angles were a hand-knit marble paper.
First of all, you cut marble paper up the size of the tank because we need as much coverage as we can.
Forward into the base coat for that paper, and the paint will really have to use the paper. And then the marble it has to water.
Translated by the treasure was very much a combination of live action and visual effects to accomplish this.
The Strange Vault is a fantastic example of my team and then other departments working at their best and contributing at their best to create such a great
bir Hogwarts'ta oldun.